Hi and welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. In this video, we'll see how to transfer name for water connection in Bihar. The link I'm highlighting over here is also provided in the description below the video. Please click on that link to reach this page. Once you reach the page, there's a select language tab in the top left corner. You can click on it and you can select whichever language that you're comfortable in and view the procedure in that language. So right below the title over here, you can see all these links. These are links to the various sections of the page. Each section provides you with important information required for successful transfer of name for water connection. So the first section is the procedure section. Over here you can see that the residents of Bihar can transfer the ownership of an existing water connection by visiting the PHED office in your area. So for that we have provided a contact link over here, and also in the office location and contact section we have provided the address as well as some phone numbers and a contact link over here. So when you click on this link, you'll be taken to this page where um, the key contacts are provided. More phone numbers are provided over here along with the names of the officers. Also, a phone directory is provided here. You can click on it to view more contact details. So, with these phone numbers, you can contact the authorities before visiting the office to know about their available timings. And also, before visiting the office, you need to prepare certain documents. For that, you have to check out the required documents section of this page, where we have listed out all the documents that are needed for this process. So, while submitting the application form, you will need to have all these documents on hand for it to be successfully processed. So, before visiting the office, you need to prepare these documents first. The first one is the ownership certificate. Next, you need to have the sale deed, the latest tax paid receipt, last bill of water charges, affidavit in stamp paper of required value, an NOC or a death certificate of previous owner, or an indemnity bond having clause of no NOC. Then you need to provide an address or an ID proof of yourself. For that, you can use your Aadhaar card, your driving license, your ration card, or your voter ID, PAN card, or your work ID. Any ID card that has your name and your address on it, you can use that for this purpose. The officers would not request for the originals to be submitted. However, they may ask to see the originals in order to cross check them with the photocopies. So you need to carry the originals along with you while visiting the office. So once you visit the office, you need to pay a certain fee for obtaining the application form, that is called the application form fee. Once you pay that, you will be provided with an application form for transfer of ownership of existing water connection. So after obtaining the application form, you need to fill in that form and attach the all these documents that I just listed earlier. So all those documents, you need to have a photocopy of those. So take a photocopy and attach it to the application form and submit it to the concerned authority. Once you submit the application form and the attached documents, the authorities will first verify whether all the necessary documents are available, and then they will request for a processing fee. Once you pay the processing fee, your request will be processed, and you will receive an acknowledgement receipt. In case you don't receive an acknowledgement receipt, you need to get a photocopy of the form countersigned by the authority, which you can use for future reference. And then once your application form is processed, the authorities might do site verifications, and after site verification, the necessary changes will be made in the computer records before the next billing cycle. So by the next billing cycle, the new name will be changed onto the water connection. So this brings us to the end of the procedure. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you found it useful, please subscribe to our channel to find more such useful videos. Thank you.